So we have a massive balance now because I won $23,000 on this game a couple of days ago. But when I was recording, turns out I never recorded the audio. So that was a big mess up. So now what we're going to do, because now we're very big bollocks, we are going to do the same thing again, but we're doing 10 $1,000 buys, and we're going to see what happens now that I've got big boy balance. Where's my mouse? Right. So I pray that we get this. Starting balance was $34,000. We're playing on BC Game. If you're interested in playing on BC Game, check jonesyslots.com. Go check BC Game. They got like up to 380% on a deposit. Like that's your fourth deposit. So on your first one, it's 180%. So the other day, what we actually got was we got mollies all across the top, all the way across all boards, and it was going absolutely mental. And I'm really hoping I can just keep my balance now so I can keep making like bigger videos. Okay, I mean, that's it's not exactly the best as the starts, is it? I mean, I still need to make 750 bucks on this. Let me get my counter ready. Okay, now we need 2 dog paws. 2 dog paws. God damn it. God damn it. Okay, first one, we're down 600 bucks. Fair enough. We're down 600. Right, okay. Ollie straight away. You know what it is as well? I absolutely love Doghouse. Like, I obviously because I won all that money. So I love Doghouse even more. But I just love the look and feel of the game. I think it's brilliant. Oh, God. Never given this game a bloody compliment again. Come on. This is not what we want at all. I'll take a freaking dog paw though. $33.50. $33.50. Let me ask you guys a question. Have you liked the video? If you haven't liked the video, like the damn video, please, and thank you. Okay, I'll take that as a start. That's a better start than it was last time. That's an even better start than it was last time. Give me another one here. I imagine having all of this filled on the first spin. That's a max win. Come on. Well, we've already beat the last bonus. Oh my God, wait a minute. One up here. Give us a freaking dog paw. You know what it is? I shouldn't have even came back here to make a video on this. I'm only doing it because we won a lot, and this game's going to take its freaking money back. Don't you dare. Come on. In fact, you know what it is? I'm going to ask you a question, actually, in every video from now on. If I remember to ask you, I want you to rate this game out of 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. Me, I'm going to give it a solid 6. I'm going to be very stingy with my ratings for the games, actually. So I'm going to give this a rating of 6 out of 10. If I don't fucking give me anything else, it's going to be a fucking 0. I mean, 250. Oh, damn it. We're down so bad. So bad. You know what it is, though? I feel comfortable because of the balance. Like that. Like that. Maybe that's a fucking bad thing, actually. You know? Right, this time. This is bonus buy number 5. Bonus number 5. It's a good start. I mean, it's not the best, but it's better than it has been. So there's, you know, we can't complain about that. Are you fucking taking the piss? I don't want to click off. Holy shit. Right. We're in profit for this one. So wait, that's actually sick. Oh shit. I will take that. We're still at a loss, but like that's great. Give him more dog paws. Oh shit, wait a minute now. Right, that's 2k. That's 2 bonuses back. We're 5 bonuses in. 4 dog paws. Oh my god. That's another 500. 2.5k. Are we gonna give us another dog paw? 1 dog paw, please. Ah! Wait! Right! No! Wait a minute! 3 spins. I'll take 2. I'll take 2. I'll take 2. Right, okay. I think we're at starting balance. I could be totally wrong. Please, for the love of God, be massive. Is that it? Well, this one isn't going as quick as the last one. I'm just gonna click. It's more! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I got little tears in my eyes there. We're like the smile on my face. Wait, I love this slot. This it's now a 7 out of 10. By the way, use 7 out of 10. Here's how you can win $500 in less than 30 seconds. Click the link in the description for the Discord. Once you've done that, select casinos. When you select casinos, it's going to unlock BC Game. When you get to the BC Game section, click on the link and go sign yourself up. When you're signed up, the minute you make your first deposit, you will automatically be entered in to win $500. Now, to make the deal even sweeter, BC Game is offering 180% on top of your deposit. You deposit 100, they'll give you 180. That gives you $280. By the time you get to your 4th deposit, they're going to offer you up to 360% on your deposit. Go sign up. Come on. I'm on some fucking mad fucking win streak right now. And I need to keep it going whilst it's lasting. No more. I don't want no more dog paws yet. No more. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Come on, give us more multis, more multis. Do that thing you did last time. Douche, 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 douche. You know what's mad as well? You know remember when I told you like I won that 23k? When I won that, you know, I was like, let me close my eyes and not look at any of it. And then when I opened my eyes, it was on 5k. That's the one with no audio. I was absolutely devastated. Ran in the house and told the missus and everything. Most men wouldn't tell their missus, actually. I just realized. I did. What's that? Okay. 350 bucks we want on this one. Or a dog paw. Fucking prick. That's it. Oh, $5 off though. I'll take that. Wait, we've got 3 more spins. We've got 3 more. I want a max win on this. Well, I don't even know what max win is on this. I really don't know what it is. Right, that's good. Give us another one here. Nope. Give us another one here. Oh, damn it. Another one here. Is this game taking the mic? I literally don't know what to say right now. Two spins left? What in the good God? I've never ever seen that before. Right, okay, fair enough. Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. You know what I'm gonna do on the last spin? The last spin, I'm gonna leave. Not the last spin, the last bonus buy. I'm gonna leave. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna have $1 million here. Come on. That's got to be big, right? I mean, we're nearly breaking even, so breaking even's better than nothing. Oh, and we've got another thing. Wait a minute. Okay. Proper. Come on, this is actually a great setup. This is a fucking fantastic setup. I think. Last spin, give us a dog paw. Motherfuck! Oh, I take it back. Wait. Dude, right, okay. 36k we're at. 9. Right, okay, right. Right. After this bonus buy, I'm going in the house. And then I'm gonna come back. Come on. Please. I can't complain. I mean, we're just, you know, I think we're up. Oh, we might have been on 37, you know. Shit, I can't remember. I fucking played too much slots. The frick is that? Somehow you got to give me 3 dog paws to keep the game alive. 1. Okay. $50. 2. Oh, I'm glad that's over and done with. Oh, my fucking brain's telling me just to do it because I've got 35. Oh. I'm not. Please give me a freaking dog paw. Please. Oh, shit. Dog paw. Dog paw, dog paw, dog paw, dog paw. Mother... All right. Wait a minute now. Oh, okay. One more. I am convinced that if I don't look, I win. I'm convinced. I know that sounds so stupid. We're gonna try it here. So I'm just gonna listen. Okay, that was nothing. That was a dog, I think. Oh, it's not a dog. It's not a dog. It's not a dog. It's a mully. That's 2 mullies, no dogs. Oh, shit. Oh, that's bad. Oh, no. That was a fucking stupid idea.